Welcome everyone to this live analysis for on IvanFX on YouTube. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're doing well. My name is Emil, Forex trader for 8 years. I think that is good enough for us today. I think we are gonna have a quick live today. It doesn't seem like many people in the group was very active or happy to be alive today. So I think we're gonna put some entries on pound yen. I really want to do that. So yeah, at least Maki was excited. You should be in either in my Telegram group or my Discord group if you want to be, you know, what do you call it, more up to date of what I think, because I will ask you questions and then, you know, you can answer. And if you want me to go live and ask questions in there, you know, to promote that, I will go. So I did anyways. So I think in the end, by the end of it, it's going to be a good live anyways. I just want to show, like, go through a pound yen trade and the reasons why I'm going to take it. And then I will take it. Whatever I'm saying in this live today is only for education purposes, not financial advice. Only my personal opinion, only my only trades, my only personal trades, and you have to make your own choices. All right, good on that. Somebody said in the live on A1 Trading that someone went to that I should give up my dark charts. Okay, cool. Somebody says I shouldn't. Somebody said I should. So I don't know. I'm just going to stick to it. So that's kind of where that is today. The other thing that I want us to go through today is what has happened today. How does that psychology work on you? Pound has fallen dramatically today. That is okay for me. But we need to go through it and, you know, still learn from it. And yeah. So the more you guys speak in this chat right now, the more YouTube will post it. So I really struggled to get some attraction, comments, communication with people that was in the previous live earlier today. But here we are. Not going to complain. I'm just saying that, you know, I love talking to you guys. Okay, I love talking to you guys. Don't leave me hanging alone. Talking to myself. I can talk to a wall. That doesn't mean that I should be on YouTube. Okay, talk to a wall is probably not the most fun thing to do when. Anyways, just a small reminder. Doesn't matter to anyone, I guess, but a small reminder here. The live count on my channel today is 4,499, and then it might soon go to 4,500. That'll be fun. You know, I like that it just barely can go above, and then if you subscribe right now and then you go down again, of course I'm gonna be sad. But anyways. So, I don't know, is there any way I can, like, minimize it somewhere and put it somewhere so everyone can see it and it'll still be fun? Or should I have just done that with some kind of, okay, then it went away there, okay. Just gonna make it a very small window. Can I do that even? Okay, something like that. Okay, I couldn't. And then I should maybe, I don't know. No, I can't. Can I put it there now? Now be gone. Anyways, I would love to have done that. Maybe next time. No, JJ. No. Don't unsubscribe and subscribe. You need to find someone else. Anyways, welcome everyone. There it is. Yeah, go and find someone in the closet. No, I'm just joking. I hope I will provide you value today so that somebody out there that is new to this channel will then subscribe. That is the reason. There is no other reason to subscribe to me. If you're just doing this for the fun of it, just to fool me around, yeah. But anyways, pound yen. Okay, so I went a bit down again. That'll be great. So just for the fun of it, I'm gonna go down to 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. And then we can post that one. Okay, so there is no entry signal there whatsoever. But the point is that Mr. Pound Yen went a bit lower low today. So that is definitely resistance, but it came down to a very critical, important level that I really want to buy. So I'm gonna, well, what is the reason? The reason is You know, sometimes the reason is just buy at the level is supposed to be at, right? Sending me emails like teachable, like, why are you bothering the living life out of me, bro? So I just want to, you know, if you're wondering, like, what do you call it? Accountability. Someone was asking me for accountability, and now my phone doesn't even want to load it. So here we are. Maxi says, "We love you too, bro." Aww, you're so kind to me. Maybe I should find a Wi-Fi or something. Anyways, I will let it load. Cannot connect to Wi-Fi because I'm too far away from the Wi-Fi. Do you think that happened? Does anyone do this? Like if you're on a train or something and the buses, you're just holding a phone closer to whatever internet connection is supposed to be. But I understand this is not good content. Oh, I got internet. Woohoo! I will put down. What's your entry, bro? Stop loss should be 149. 149. How far is that? That is 100. Okay, yeah, okay, fine. I can take that. 149. And then see if the sound. Is there sound here? Let's see. Placed in queue for the living life out of me. Okay. Order is open. Placed. Current price. Yeah, so there you go. Still 449, bro. Investor says 14 watches and 6 likes. Yeah, I need to give some value. Sorry, people. I just told you guys that I just bought pound yen. That's all. So, but that's not financial advice whatsoever. So there we go. Dixie is going up to weekly target. Does that matter? Not really. So yeah, nah. Also, it's higher. Okay, so if it's higher, what do you then do? You wait for some kind of pullback for tomorrow, and then we go into daily. So daily buy prices on DXY, but nobody's pricing in. Nobody's really doing that. So we have to go to Aussie or Euro. Maybe go to Euro, for example. If you were to sell Euro tomorrow, is it a good sell? Let's do some updates on the Euro. Sell. I don't know. It is currently at a support, and we are 28th. We are a couple of days off October. If this is holding, that is definitely a buy zone. So, yeah, I did. Yeah, it's hate stop loss, bro. So yeah, I did a buy earlier today. So I wouldn't sell here. So I would rather want like a bigger pullback on Euro before selling. It can definitely fall. And if it then falls, then that is your next entry reason that you have now a new lower low. And you're like, okay, we have a lower low. Great. Then we can take it. So right now, you have to be cautious. You have to be patient because you don't sell support prices. You sell resistance. And currently, I wouldn't say you're at resistance because you are in some kind of box, some kind of range, some kind of struggling price action that you might need volatility to create tomorrow. But right now, if you want to sell, you have to either get it back up to 1750 or lower high. All right. All right. Good. So I think that's a good. I think that's a good setup. And by the way, that is pure price action at all. So just pure price action. People have been complaining, Ivan, you have too many things on your charts. Well, okay, I'm sorry, but there you are. So this was the plan for pound today. Earlier today, that was buy, and boom, That's a lower low. Okay. What do you do next then? Then you look for, if you are a buyer, you don't do anything, okay? Don't buy, no buy. Let's see, no, buy. And that's my opinion. And then you need to find resistance at 136, give or take, or 136.50 maybe, depending on how high it goes, but it probably won't just go a bit up and then fall. So, you know, you are hoping for some real pullback so that you can take it lower. There is no shame in that, but what is shameful, if you're a seller, to not sell it at critical resistance. Okay, that's shameful. If you don't get it, you don't get it, then we can't help you out. But yeah. So I just need some water, and then we can put some music on, and then we'll have some fun. I will talk soon. Alright, so what about Aussie? Definitely. But another point to pound dollar. We have already hit take profit for the week. Okay? Should you sell then? No, you should not sell that. So what does that mean? That means you should be cautious. Can it blow through? Yes, it can definitely blow through. But we are Tuesday, we are early in the week. Remember. Okay? Aussie, mate. Okay. First of all, where are we? What are we doing here? We are currently in a range. Okay? Does that cater for good selling opportunities? Does that promote? Is that a good market you want to be in? Does that feel like, whoa, fantastic? It really doesn't know. So Aussie is range bound. Not really good sell, not a good sell, and or buy for that matter. But still, you know, it's. So I would leave it. I would, you know, dance, but I would rather dance. But then, okay, you can use similar pivot like weekly and daily, then go to 4 hour and 1 hour. To get entry, but like monthly, weekly powers. Okay. What checking now? Check where? Oh yeah, check what? Check. Do we have? Whoa, we have 50,000. Now, JJ, can you unsubscribe by then subscribe? Now we can get it up to 50,000. Now we can see it go to 4,500. Now you're allowed to do that, JJ. You're so funny, bro. I'm laughing, man. I'm really laughing. Well, yeah. So that is that. So for Aussie, I'm not really too interested. It's, you know, it is what it is, and yeah. What else? New Zealand might. New Zealand yen, anyone? New Zealand dollar? New Zealand dollar, how is that going? That's a new lower low. That is, that could be a resistance at, you know, this price here. But I think it's not too far away from the weekly chart as far as I remember. So, is it risky? Yeah, maybe. You're definitely getting closer to support. That is definitely. So what I want to do here is, as a buyer, I'm still waiting for that running around. Bay. Okay, Bay. Now, Abbas, I called you Bay. Okay, Bay. Stop limiting yourself. There's a lot of good pips on New Zealand. It doesn't go so fast and far, but it's good pips on New Zealand, bro. Why is that? Why you're not for those pips? You know? Okay. Because I made a lot of pips on New Zealand yen this week. Why shouldn't you? You know, it wasn't, maybe it wasn't that much, but you know, okay, not that much, but it's something, you know. So, you know, why? We. I just turned it with my secondary. Yeah, it's not your thing, but why are you limiting yourself? Maybe go have a, you know, I don't know. Go outside and come back and think about it. Yeah, I know. So, what else? Aussie yen? Sohail, sorry. What about US 30 and Nasdaq 100? We shall do so. Do not worry. We are there for you. Every single day, every single time. Okay? So, if you have other pairs you want me to cover, please bring them on in the comment section. I'm here all for you. We have gone through pound yen. I've already bought pound yen this live. So if you're wondering what is Ivan really doing, does he even make any money? Oops, that was not the thing. Do Ivan make money? I make. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And then I have to switch cameras and all those things, and then. There you go. Pound yen, everyone. Pound yen. Everyone can see this pound yen. Great. It's currently break even, I think it is. Could have gone better. Could have gone better though. But someone's calling me on private number. That's always fun. But I'm not picking that one, bro. Private number? Heh. Go bring yourself somewhere else. There you are. Okay, so put some music for the milestone. What music could that be? I don't know if I have any music that is not copyrighted. Maybe I should think about it. Maybe YouTube have something. So if you guys could just talk to yourself sometime, just talk to yourself in the chat while I bring some nice, what do you call it? Apparently some good music in between. That would be nice. And I love this. I love this one. Let's see. Start. I love this one. Let's see if it works. Is it JPY maybe? Yeah, probably JPY. This is when I feel like I've done well. Victory. This is like victory for me. But then we have to move and push forward, and then we have to go back to content. There you got your few music for a couple of minutes, and then we're going back to content. Anyways, so Aussie yen. Well, you said US 30. Well, I'm gonna be happy with. I'm gonna be. What do you call it? Kind to you, Solahai. I think was your called. Lakani. Well, you have US 10-year that is going higher today. That is then on the other side taking Nasdaq down. I wanted us to buy yesterday at 15,173. It fell through. Then we are taking the loss and we are waiting for it to return back up again. So right now it is, just pause and look and see how it goes. Of course, I'm bullish. Should you sell it? That is definitely up to you. I don't really want to sell anything that is stock market-ish because it has no value to me to buy, to sell that. So if that happens tomorrow, okay. So if you feel like, you know, you would love to do that, then it's okay to buy around, sells around 15,150. But I'm just gonna wait for the reversal and go back up again. And remember, people, we are going now into October. That can happen for like the next 2 weeks. We can be falling for the next 2 weeks. It doesn't need to reverse today. That's what I'm gonna say. Are you long pound yen? Yes, I am that one. The FIFA item, the World Cup, sounds like it. Yeah, probably is. Yeah, Mike. So yeah. So what is there to be done? I want this to go higher. Then I need to look for technical analysis and technical trades that will support that level. But right now there isn't anyone on the daily. I am going to be a monthly trader, and the monthly trade profit at 14,673. It can also go down all the way down to 14,400. And at either of those prices, I'm going to look for a reversal, but it also depends on Evergrande, I guess. So I am only going to do that, and then do that, and then I will look for that as well, and then see which one we're going to take higher. Can this one, if it breaks 14,300 and 14,300, this level here, it can do one of two things. Both of them are quite extreme. It's gonna either fall pretty hard, or it's gonna bounce at 14,400, 300. So be aware of that level. That is a very crucial level to look out for. But I'm gonna do that minimally. So yeah. And then I want to point out that I'm a monthly trader on Nasdaq, not a day trader per se. So I have much more patience on these levels. And we have so far this year fallen 5%. That is still very, 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 very small. Hello, Denise. Thank you for joining in again. Thank you for being on A1 Trading Live earlier today. I am deeply grateful for that. And then US 30 doesn't matter to anyone at all. I would call that support at the moment. And so, yeah, as long as it holds above this level, and it's really critical to hold above this level. If it holds above 34,300, that would be a great place to look for reversal patterns and then going higher. Woohoo! But then, other than that, if it falls further, then you have to wait. I don't know how long you have to wait. I would say 1 day to 2 weeks. Unless we are going to be, you know, long-term falling and crashing in the market. And the other one is S&P 500. We are coming down again to 4,350. That is probably a good level to be looking for. Does it look like it has a lot of room to fall? Yes, it looks very scary when it is pointing downwards. But give it a couple of days. Today's Tuesday, so you have the whole of this week, you have the whole of next week for it to reverse, and it probably just take a day or a New York session to reverse. So really, and then the dark index, which is a very good one that I want to follow. Dark index is high volume traders like the Norwegian oil fund that is price sensitive to if they're gonna buy. If they're buying, it will be very price sensitive. So as you can see here, they are reducing their buys at this level. This is very high. They are bought a lot of up here, and then now we are falling. Now they're going back again, and they try to buy something again, but then, you know, just falling again. So they're trying to buy every time market is bouncing around. That is when they will start buying again. And this is daily pricing on S&P 500 versus the dark index, which is the blue one. So as you can see, and as you can see back in COVID times, as it fell, you know, massive buying as price at this point went above the previous high, and then boom, ever since. So yeah, you know, there it is. Hello, Dunkirky. Finally, you are here. Fundamental question: if Powell is re-elected, what is your thought on the dollar? It all depends who is going to be re-elected. That is probably going to strengthen the pound, the dollar, because of uncertainty. I would say that Mr. Powell is a very good governor. He is saying the right things at the right time. Somebody calls him delusional. Someone's making fun of him every day. But I think he is very well fit, and I hope he is going to last in that chair until he passes out. I don't want him to leave. I think he's a very good governor at the moment. You bought SPYD ETF at every pullback, yeah. So yeah, because he had a harsh hearing today. Yeah, you know, even though he had a harsh hearing today, Kaplan, which is, I would actually call it very scandalous that Kaplan had to leave, because he had been buying Tesla, he had been buying Facebook, he had been buying whatever he had been buying, and then he is also making the market go bullish, and then he's like, well, let me show you how to do it. So he had to go, so that is pretty sad. But is more people gonna go? That is the big question. Is it bad for dollar that Kaplan is going? I don't think so. And I can't really find it here. Then I have to find my Discord channel where we are like, well, what's going on? Okay, what is going on? So that's not great. So yeah, where is it? Is it a news channel maybe? Maybe in the news channel, Kaplan. So yeah, Rosengren and Kaplan left the building because they were trading in the market, which is a very unprofessional and yeah, very unprofessional. By the way. This fuel shortage in the UK seems to be the big issue. Yes. Kaplan and Rosengren left. As it says, they left within hours. Like, they left it within hours of each other. Yeah. So, I think the fuel shortage is something that I'm not really concerned about. Mostly because it's short term, and they said that they're gonna kick in the army. So you know, I think that is I think that's fair enough. And yeah, whenever they do that, fuel crisis, I think the market is gonna go back up again. So it's gonna be like boom, boom. On pound. So yeah, is the fuel price improving? And then people was fighting today by the pumps. I don't understand why they do that, but you know, people are people, and some people, you know, lose their cools. So I think it's temporarily. I think it's gonna keep UK oil elevated. As you can see here, it's still high. Still hasn't come down to the buy price I wanted for the week. So, well, what is there to do? Not much at all. So, you know, because the buy price for this week was 76.50 on the UK oil and 74.50 on US oil, and we still haven't. Well, we have actually take profit for the week. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's a big risk. Ooh, then we need to wait for 72.50. Ooh. Ay. Okay. For those who are Kenyans, guy. So that I didn't know that. So that's actually out already. So but yeah, whenever they fix the issue, the pound will regain its strength. So I'm gonna remain bullish on it. I'm just gonna wait for it to happen, and then boom, whatever lost today is gonna come back today. Oops, that was wrong chat. Soon, today or tomorrow or next week. Next week. So that's that. So let's go fast through the yen pairs. I think I've already been there, but that looks like a good buy price. Ooh, did I take it? Oh yeah, I think I took that. I have an entry on Aussie yen at 64. So I have a buy entry basically here, give or take. I am something in profit. So good. So for those who want to choose, I'm also in that buy too. They did that in the US during the pipeline hijack. Stupid people were putting fuel in plastic, not even plastic bins in their truck, Dennis. They put them in plastic bags for whatever reason that is. All right. So very funny, very funny, very funny. So stupid actions has stupid results, I guess, or stupid consequences, depending. Of course, you can't bring a bag of fuel. It will sweat, it will fall out, and I'm not saying that Americans are stupid or anything. I just have that disclaimer there. I'm just saying some people in this world, on this planet, need to think twice before they do a decision. You're long CAD yen. I could probably have taken that too. I probably, in my brain, have an entry at around 87.30 on some kind of limit orders somewhere. I'm not in it yet, so, but yeah. Legit plastic bags, bro. Legit plastic bag. If you Google that, it is the funniest thing that, it's maybe off topic and all those things, people. But, USA, I don't know. People. But yeah, there we are. There you go, bro. Somebody took fuel in the plastic bags in their trunk. So yeah, and then there is of course those who has their washing bins. They're out with those ones. So yeah. Oleg says you just said this. That about him. yeah. So continue. Cadian. Can it continue higher? I think it definitely can continue higher. Now it had added risk that oil has taken profit for the week. Not that it can fall, but I'm just saying it has increased potential to fall more. But yen is weak at the moment, so that is staying alive. Going into euro yen, is that a higher high? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Mwah. Fantastical. Okay, so how do you trade euro yen? How are you supposed to trade a euro yen? Well, let's go back to the basic trading you have been given by Dr. Google. Dr. Google told you to buy support. So this is definitely support, and you got it twice. So if you don't have more entries here, I have absolutely no. I have absolutely no, what do you call it, explanation for you. If we did not buy this support, this is support. It was ringing in my head, saying support. The other thing, if it comes down to 129, that is your plan B. This is your plan A. Oui. Je m'appelle. Oui. And then we continue higher. The other question is, euro yen is actually very strong. if we now, well, we are at critical resistance, I would say. So if we, okay, we may have broken it. We may have broken it. So we may continue rising. So we may. I'm not saying this is the all clear. I am saying we are at all resistance, and this is the support you should be buying today, and then tomorrow, I don't know. Masi Ganbari is here. Welcome very much. What here is 1 liter is for 0.265 US dollars. That's maybe why in plastic bags. Yeah. In Norway, I think its costs in Norway, a gallon, not Kenya shillings, that is Norwegian kroner, not Nigerian, Norwegian kroner, and then I think it's currently at 15 maybe. Let's say 16 kroner per liter oil. That is 185 US dollars for 1 liter of oil. And if you need to do gallons, I can't help you with that. Just remember that we have a target for this week at 130.75. So the question is, when do we hit that target? I would love to hit that tomorrow so we can have a pullback, take our profit, run, come back lower, and then we take it up in October. Gas is currently 3.5 a gallon in America. A liter petrol costs 100. I don't know which that one is, but I guess you're from Malaysia. So I would call that a Malaysian. You bought euro yen this morning. Okay, then have a legit excuse. Yeah, sure. So, is there anyone that has gotten value today? What have I given of value of you today? I really believe so that I have. But other than that, New Zealand yen has come down to the buy entry for the week. It's not fantastic, but it is the buy entry for the month. Rupee! Oh yeah, Indian. Okay, sorry. 100 rupee. Yeah, JJ, I thought you were Malaysian. There's some Malaysians in here, so but yeah, anyways, Junior, you're Indian. So I'm sorry. Sir, what do you think? I'm not trying to do Indian. What do you think about 14,733? No, 14,730 to 14,680 for support zone for NDX. Merci beaucoup. And what is NDX? Does anyone know other than me? Oh, Nasdaq. Oh yeah, okay. Weekly target has been hit. Monthly target, at least on NDX, has been hit. And you're asking about 14,730 to 14,680. Yeah. Oui. I would definitely say that. Yeah, oui. Yes, I would definitely say support. Now we need to have a full-on reversal. Now we need to have higher high and higher low. Now you need to have bullish momentum. This can just go through the support. It doesn't really matter. Malaysian here. I'm waiting for Messi to play. Yeah, sure. Bro, but look at USD CAD. I think it's gonna go to 130. I think 122. 122.50 to 126. Do you mean 120? Do you mean 25.50? I think you misspelled your keyboard there, bro. So what is really happening here on USD CAD? USD CAD is in a range. Is that somebody calling that a head and shoulders? And I'm not going to say that I will be angry at you, but yeah, someone says that's head and shoulders. And then we haven't broken the neckline yet. Okay? Believe me. Then, can it go to 130? Absolutely. But I don't believe you in that because of one thing, oil. The second thing, at some point, the Canadian economy at some point is going to kick in and do it better. And then the Canadian is going to get even stronger, and then they're going to increase interest rate, woohoo! And all of a sudden we have a very strong CAD. Unless you have a very weak CAD for a very long time and a very strong US dollar, which can happen, I just don't think that is likely at this point. As more likeliness, as more we rise, but USD CAD at this point is currently range bound. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, sure. Sure, this can be the bottom. Like, surely. Yes, of course it can be the bottom. Until it's broken. So, we have seasonality coming in for October. And it's going to be a bit strong in the beginning, and then weakness for dollar, hopefully. So, we shall see. We shall see. Do I still have... Yeah. So... What else? Euro New Zealand? Is that a strong one today? Oh! Ouch! Oh! That looks tasty. Sweet. Alright. Okay. All man on board on buying Euro New Zealand. It has finally broken out of the range. Ooh. Ah. Nice. Ooh la la. Oui oui. Je m'appelle. Oui oui. Fantastic. Well, nice higher high though. But that is a straight up buy for tomorrow, by the way. Oh, I like that. So, what price you might ask? 167.60 is probably a good price to be buying there, mate. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Looks like a juicy burger. Yes, it looks juicy. I really love that. Yeah. Yeah, lol. I hope not, because I'm long on it. Yeah, sure, bro. You know, that's kind of you though, but you know, that's not me. I'm just gonna check the news for everyone. Nothing really much. A US Treasury auction to off 62 billion, a 7-year note on the top of the hour. Okay. And that's a couple of hours ago. So yeah. Powell on ethics of trading within the Fed. Fed will address these ethic issues. Okay. Betting odds for Bernard as the next Fed chairs are rising. Okay. Cool. Thank you very much. I would like it. Yeah, we have family here. What else? What else can we do? Gold, anyone? So, gold kind of just stopped in the middle of the air, I would say. Yeah. Can it go back down here? Yes, it can. As long as it doesn't make a new higher high. GJ just broke out of the downward trend right before this UK bearish news. Did it break something? Well, it's not falling anymore, at least. So, sure. 150.50. That's what it's holding at the moment. Yeah. Gold. I said gold. Okay, so basically for tomorrow, you could look to sell it and holding sell positions tomorrow at those price levels: 140, 1745, 48, 47, 40 something. and 1740 area. As long as it doesn't break higher high, then of course you hit your stop loss, and then you're all cool about that because you don't risk much more money on it, and that's kind of the thing. And then you're just hoping it will fall further. Okay, great. I'm done with that. Use stop losses. I trade a mission. Yeah. Nasdaq is at 5.8, so that one went skyrocketing and then it's falling again. Okay, so that is a very volatile commodity at the moment. At least on a 50-minute time frame, you want it to come back up to 6 so we can fall down again. But if I believe NatGas is going to be NatGas is going to blow through this level, going up, making a new higher high. I'm short gold at 1758 with your idea in your weekly video. Boom, boom. That's how you do that. All right, great. Oh, thank you very much, people. I just wanted to see that. Anyways. So now we are taking down the subscriber list, and then for those who accidentally subscribed are probably going to go away. But that's that. And then USD yen. Oh, juicy. Oh, juicy. Support. New higher high. And I think we hit some targets this week on this one. Didn't we? Or am I just dreaming? Oh, I wasn't dreaming, mate. I wasn't dreaming, mate. That was daily. Oh, sorry. Then I was dreaming. I was in the wrong time frame. Oh, I wasn't dreaming. 11.60. We hit it. We hit it. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, it is there. Even UJ, you told us. Yeah. So it's going there. It's getting there. Is there like a USD Sweetie something out there that you guys like? Look at that. I think Trader Nick took that trade, by the way. And I don't know if I like it, but sure, go ahead. It's very French. Not getting to the point very fast. So is that a market you want to be in? Can it just range and tell again? Yes, it can. Is it trying to make a higher high at the moment? Yes, it tries. What is the target, mate, for this week? It is 0.9346. That is your take profit. Yeah, I think that's what I would have done. But yeah. Mr. James took a fantastic trade this week. James is in my mentorship course. Oh, I mentioned that. I don't mention that anymore, apparently. But that is a buy entry, and I think he bought somewhere here. Price is spot on. Trading setup is spot on. The only thing that didn't go well was that it went lower. Okay? But that is how you trade, We reversal pattern at target, new higher high, new higher low, buy, boom. New higher high, new higher low, boom. Going up to that was the target. Well, the market didn't agree, but that is a perfect Ivan winning strategy entry, and I couldn't care less that it fell. He does. Yes, he does. He cares that it went lower. But if you don't take those trades and it goes higher and you just left those money on the table, I will be very angry with you. Yeah. Morgan Stanley wants 11.1350 on UJ. They bought 110.60. Wow, that's those people, And then we're going into bitty committee USSR. Going higher, our target is 15.21. It is almost there. And did I make that thing yesterday? Did I make that? I think I was live yesterday. And that was your entry, bro. Oh, nice. When did I do this? Does anyone number? I'm not going to go back into my. I've done this at some point, and I don't think I did it in the A1 trading live today. I think I did it yesterday. Because as you can see, it's very off target here. Oh, so maybe I did it up here then or something, which would be yesterday around 8 around. Okay. Anyways, no matter less, it's I will call that a win. Yeah, so Bitcoin I was supposed to go to, but I got distracted. 41,000 something. Okay, so how do you trade this Bitcoin thing then? So Bitcoin, if you trade Bitcoin if you're ever going to trade Bitcoin, this is support. You're just waiting for a high. Yesterday. All right. Yeah, cool. A pound. UK 100 coming back down to Dubai area. Bada boom boom, bada boom boom, bada bim boom. Make your choices. Are you gonna buy it? Is that your buy price? Is that your buy price? That's your make your choices. Don't be a holdback machine. If that's your prize. Oh yeah. New Zealand. I know you hate it, bro. But you almost had weak target. So if we hit target now, I think we're gonna rebound. That's all. Lower box ammo on BTC. Okay. Yeah, nah. Yoda. Alibaba announced that they will stop mining machines in China. That could make the Bitcoin go higher because that is less supply. But yeah, okay. So, latest update, pound is still falling. Pound yen is at 89. That is actually rising at the moment. Aussie yen is currently rising at the moment. CAD yen is currently rising at the moment. Euro yen is currently rising at the moment. And we are in profit. Boom. If I can't say it enough, how's this week been, Ivan? Fantastic. I apparently need to appraise myself more. And if you're wondering what is my entries, do you know my entries? I've told you my entries, okay? This is Mr. Aussie Yen. Here I said Aussie Yen didn't get triggered. And if you all look at that price, that is 80.56, I think it is. And then we go to Aussie Yen, and then did it hit the target? Did it hit that one? Yeah, it has gone to that price. So, oh yeah, that's all there. And then the next one was New Zealand Yen. That is not my actual trading chart. Let me find my trading chart so I can show you guys my actual entries. That's always fun. I will go to the other channel just to see if it's put it there instead, because I don't have all time to yeah, limit order at 8643. That was my limit order there. Okay. And this is 77. Is that New Zealand? Yeah, that's New Zealand. This is New Zealand. Oui. So yeah. And price is probably down here by now. So almost the next entry as well. Okay. If that is not accountability, what am I focusing on? Aussie yen, Euro yen, Pound yen, New Zealand yen. I want them all to go higher. They are currently struggling a bit bullish, a bit bearish, but all in all, that's what I'm gonna do for this year and next year probably. It was a good week for me, yeah. L Gamer is absolutely latest of the latest. Did I do gold? Yes, I did do gold, yes. Barnold says, can you please look at NQ100? He is a mentorship student of me, so I will help him out. I don't know what that is, bro. What is that? Is that Nasdaq? Is that Nasdaq? Was that an NDX or something? You need to put on a notice that I'm alive every day an hour ago. That's what I do every day. Every time. Not every day, but every time. What do you mean? So currently it's falling. It has hit some targets. It can maybe have a pullback, but I think it's gonna fall until this Evergrande thing is resorted. So until then, I can't really say this is gonna go higher. Yeah. Okay. I will be okay. Since you said you're working, you have a very good excuse. I'm gonna help you out in 2 seconds. Okay. Can you trade live? Khalil, I have been trading live in this session. I bought pound yen and someone called me. Private number. Okay. I bought pound yen at 150.88. So I am 2 pips in profit. So I did that in the beginning of this live. But yeah, okay. Gold. For those who want to do gold, that's always fun, right? But very quick, since I've already done it. You can look to short at around 1740 or 1747. Probably 1747, 45 is probably a way better target entry level, I would say. And then going lower. Though it's not financial advice, just my personal opinion. And then I would probably hopefully take it down to 1670. Don't believe it's going to go to 1660 just because I say it. 1670, sorry. But as long as it's bearish, you still have the belief that that is what's going to happen. All right? So as long as you're still bearish, as long as you still haven't hit your target, you're still great, you're still good. Yeah, that is... And then Mr. JJ sold 57. That was the best sell price this week. And then 43, 45 is probably the next one. So, alright, mate. Is there any other requests before everyone goes home? Use trailing stops is another one, or put them to break even once you have got 50 pips in profit, or or in a bearish trend if you have double lower lows, okay? If this is your entry, then when price is here, you don't move it. When price is here, that is when you move it to break even, okay? So if you sold here, not here, but when it makes this low, that is when you put it to break even here. Alright, is that everything? Please give your congratulations to myself for bringing yourself out there and just having fun. Thank you very much, family, for coming out here today. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're not a part of the family is open to everyone who is kind and asking good questions and wants to learn how to trade. I have a very simple strategy for some people. That is all. If you have a different strategy, you're very much welcome. Just be respectful of other people having different opinion of you. I am very open to different opinions, but do not cross over others. Trade yourself. That is what you're supposed to do. You're in from 77. Yeah, fantastic. Great entry, Elgamer. Great entry. And I will applaud you every time you do something well. So Elgamer did something well. Abbas did something well. Denise is doing something well. James is doing something well. Every single one of you is doing something well. So thank you very much. Have a great day. And then, boom.